What's going on, everybody? Oh my gosh. It warmed up. I thought it was freaking cold, but I was wrong. Well, I got a special dip for you guys today. Okay, I was thinking, I like screwdrivers. They're pretty good. I mean, I like orange juice and vodka. I mean, you can't tell the difference. I mean, they taste freaking amazing. So I went and got freaking Skoal citrus, and then put some freaking vodka in this bitch. Some absolute vodka. I just grabbed a little freaking shot glass because I thought it looked pretty cute. Look at him, so cute. So let's crack this bad boy open. Oh, just an FYI, guys, I have never ever had Skoal citrus. I don't even know what the frick the can looked like. Like, it's a pretty cool looking can. I mean, the green and yellow, it's pretty legit. I've been smelling it since I freaking got it, and I haven't done it forever. I've been smelling it since I got it, and I cannot figure out what the freaking taste is. I really can't. Like, I really don't. I don't know. But let's freaking see how much room I have to shake. Damn it. Don't really want to waste dip. But alright, it's time to freaking mix these things. Let's see what the frick happens. Hopefully I don't do too much and make it freaking too moist. It'd be freaking ridiculous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go, there we go, there we go. Alright. Woo! Spilt her. Alright. Is that about enough, guys? I mean, alright. You know I wanted to do this too, so I could drink. Time to freaking take it to the half. Ooh. Oh. I am not. That was fucked out. Oh god, this is freaking. Oh, good thing I brought freaking beer. Oh, good thing I brought freaking beer. Oh. Yeah. Good old freaking Busch Light. Oh yeah. We got the deer right now. You can see the freaking ducks. Oh yeah, look at them ducks. Then there's a doe right there. Oh god. Absolute vodka is absolutely strong. I ain't. Oh god. Oh god. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh god. Yeah. Oh. I'm kind of scared now. Hopefully I didn't put too much in it. Because holy shit. That sumbitch burned. Alright. Let's shake her up. Shake her up real good. Oh yeah. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your dip can. Shake your dip can. Ah. So, we're making a screwdriver dip. Oh my god. Alright guys, I think it's pretty good. I hope it's pretty good. Oh god, so today we are doing a freaking screwdriver dip. I'm scared to do it now, honestly. I am really scared. That fucking vodka burned like a motherfucker. Suck it up. PDS. Pack. Yep. It's bit. So, oh God. Let's see what you look like. Oh yeah, you're moist. Very moist. Good thing is I can't smell the vodka. Because vodka is smellless, so it's really moist, guys. Oh yeah, drop, drip, drop, drip, drip. Try to get some of that moisture out. I'm freaking, I'm salivating a lot right now. Suck it up, buttercup. Oh, good God. That's a big old dip. Yeah. Oh. It's like it's stuck together more. Yeah, look at that fatty. Time to pack a fatty. Oh. 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 Oh, that's fucking. Oh. Oh God. Guys, that is just. Oh. Oh, this. I knew the citrus wasn't gonna taste freaking good, but oh, that just the fucking it burns, like it burns. The alcohol is burning my lip right now. Holy shit! I got a buzz. I ain't a lightweight by any means, but I got a freaking buzz from hell right now. Holy shit, my stomach is churning. So, it don't taste like a screwdriver whatso fucking ever. It, oh God. Yeah, I don't know why I did this. Oh, good God. Ooh, nasty. It's freaking sticky. Like, my saliva's sticky. Oh, good God. So, it tastes like ass. It burns really good. And I got a buzz. So, it's kind of a good dip, but it tastes like ass. So, if you like ass taste in your mouth, dip the shit. Oh, my God. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that wasn't a smart idea. I was really wanting to do something, an even more disgusting thing. Put spearmint toothpaste in spearmint skull spearmint. Just to freaking, I don't know. I kind of want to do that. If you guys freaking comment or anything like that and tell me I should, then I will do it. But other than that, I'm not gonna freaking do it. This is bad. I thought of this all by myself, and this was the wrong freaking idea. Oh, this is almost as bad as, no, it ain't near as bad as the caramel apple dip. Nowhere near as bad as it. Oh, yeah. I just need to do a freaking suicide. I mean, shit, I'm tired of this nasty ass freaking chew. I did a freaking Copenhagen wintergreen, or not a Copenhagen wintergreen, but I did a Copenhagen suicide once. I just did not have the, I had the whiskey blend or black. Those are the only two I was missing, but I don't think those two would have made a big difference. It still tasted pretty good. I mean, it didn't taste horrifically bad, but it was pretty good. So I don't know what kind of suicide I'll do next, or do for you guys. Hopefully I do. I might do Longhorn. Screw it. Just because it's cheaper. Hell, I don't care. Oh, God. Well, I give this dip a freaking... I give it a thumbs up for a buzz. But a thumbs down for the taste. So, 50-50. I mean, I have no clue what to think of it. It's just... Oh, that Absolute vodka is strong shit. Strong shit. Oh. Beer tastes good though. I'm a Busch Light drinker. I'll drink damn near anything except for PBR, Heineken, what else? Bud Ice. I don't like Bud Ice. But I'll drink anything. Honestly. I don't care what it is. Except for them main three right there. Oh my God. Heineken, I tried it, and oh my God, I want to throw up. But I can't waste no alcohol, because that's alcohol abuse. So I had to freaking suck it up and drink the shit. It was bad. It don't taste good whatsoever. Oh. Yeah. Don't try this at home, ladies and gents. It's just bad. Yeah. First time I ever dipped Skoal, or not Skoal, yeah, Skoal citrus though. But it was mixed with vodka, so I don't know. I don't want to ever choose Skoal citrus because it don't taste good, it don't look good, it don't smell good, so no good. So, I gave it a thumbs down, honestly. Thumbs down. So, yeah. Thumbs down for this freaking dip. Not very good. So, I guess I'm gonna freaking get off of here. Finish this dang brewski. Spit out this dip. And we'll catch you guys later.